Hi guys, this is Jacob, and we're at HobbyTown in Santee for a cool club race. Hope you enjoy.
You'll get on your feet in a hurry. Drivers ready, turn marshals, look alive. We're going on the tone. Jacob in the all blue car now, out front with Castor and Williams right there with him. Cabral's getting a bad deal. So Cruz trying a different body to see if it works better than the other one. He was already at a 9.6 last race, already at a 9.6 this race. 9.4. So, am I going to lose my dollar, and is he going to get into the eights? That's the bet. 9.3 for that blue car. Coming up, Monica Browse getting by him. Down the back straight away he goes. Matt Allen into second. Looks like Williams and Castor are battling for fourth. Matt Allen looking a lot better this race. 9.314, fast lap way to pass the guy. Down the straightaway he comes and finish the lap you're on. Sean Williams, you're done. Everyone else finish the lap you're on. Cruz, you're done. Castor done. Cabral is waiting for Scott Chase. And that's a race. Cruz will take the win and a new TQ, 32 laps. 5:07. Randy Castor 31, 5:08. Followed by Williams, Chris, Jared, Scott, and the rest of them.